Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 37,331 level on July 17, 2020. The weekly closing is above the weekly pivot level of 36,845 level. The major weekly resistance and support levels are at 39,741 and 35,399 respectively. Technically, the trending indicators are bullish and the index may test the median line of the pitchfork indicator from below. The maple leaf cement closed at 32.37 level on July 17, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 31.22. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 37.20 and 29.44 respectively. Technical indicators are bullish and may show substantial upside move. The HASCOL closed at 14.08 level on July 17, 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 14.12. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 16 and 13.10 respectively. It will remain sideways as long as it remains within the rectangular pattern. The PAEL electron closed at 30.89 level on June 17, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 29.75. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 36.25 and 29.94 respectively. The stock is showing three rising soldiers formation on the weekly time frame. The volume of last week is less than the volume of the previous week, which is a matter of concern. The Unity Foods closed at 12.62 level on July 17, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 12.49. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 13.93 and 10.88 respectively. Sideways movement is expected. The TRG closed at 37.42 level on July 17, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 36.44. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 40.21 and 29.41 respectively. Technically, it is forming fifth upside wave on the weekly time frame. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.